I'm NancyAnn Wartman with Usborne Books More, and I want to show you some great activity books. First, let's look at All Better, and this has reusable plastic bandages, one for each animal. Each animal has a boo-boo, and the bandage goes right on. If they lose their sticky, you just run them in cold water. All Better. A couple others that I want to point out are the Wipe Clean books. You can use any dry erase marker. The child writes where the dotted lines are. So as they're working on the letters, their numbers, and there are all kinds of activities. They'll have great writing experience and learn their letters and numbers and some easy words all at the same time. Okay. Another in the board books, this is Cats and Dogs, the Picture Puzzle Book series. This has so many things to find and seek, questions throughout, nice thick sturdy pages. Okay, let's jump into some science activities. This is 365 science activities where you can learn so much and make things, many of which you can make with what you already have in your home. And it explains why those things work that way too. Okay, color and pop-up books. We have animals and dinosaurs, and you actually color the page, and then these marks right here show you where to put the pop-up part that's in the back. So you will have pop-ups that you actually can create. We have some amazing coloring books from all over the world and different time periods. Stunningly beautiful, loads to color, lots of fun. The Academy books tell you all about which academy it is you're working on. Astronaut, architect, this is the Vet Academy, obviously. And there's also Engineer Academy, Scientist, Coding, great activities for bigger kids. This Bug Hotel is super cute and actually helps you know how to make your own backyard bug hotel with all different kinds of bugs and what kind of habitat they like and how to build it. The pages are thick board book pages with flaps that are pretty sturdy. Okay, we have great step-by-step drawing books. This one is step-by-step drawing dinosaurs, where you can see one step at a time how to draw those creatures, and it gives you space to do that in the book. We have wonderful, wonderful sticker books, and one of the great things about sticker books from Usborne is that the stickers don't stay on your floor or closet or door or van window. If they go on there, they just peel right off again. So it is okay to let your kids enjoy sticker books with us. The magic painting books, you just dip the paintbrush or any paintbrush into water, touch the page, and the colors appear. So much fun. I remember doing those when I was a kid, but these are even better. The first sticker book series, this one is Nature, has kind of free form where you can put the pages, the stickers on the pages. And the stickers are absolutely beautiful. Lots to learn while young children are exploring those stickers. We have great doodle pads. These are tear pads where the pages just tear right off. You can share them. It's fun at restaurants, in cars, at slumber parties, sleepovers, when friends come over. Great at the pool during adult swim. So many things. Fun, fun doodle pads. Make your own comics. This is a neat pad, and again, when it says pad, it just means those pages will tear right off for you, so you can share them, use them one at a time. This size is fun to laminate and use as placemats. Okay, the 100 things for little children to do on a trip are actually doodle cards. They're wipe clean cards that you can use with any dry erase marker, with lots of different types of activities in there. A marker comes in here, but again, you can use any dry erase marker. We also have cutout paper dolls. Do you remember paper dolls? Does your mom? How about your grandma? And they've got the dolls in here, and then the clothes, so you can just cut them out and dress them up in all kinds of things. Some are already colored, and then in the back there are some that you can actually color and decorate yourself. We have also a very, very nice jigsaw puzzle and atlas, and it has 300 pieces, and the puzzle looks just like this. Love that. Nice world map there. We have Hello, Happy, and No Worries. These are great activity books for children who may have some sadness or anger. And then one also, the No Worries, for a child that has worries or struggles. And there are all kinds of activities, some that you would do in the book, some that you would talk about. I want to show you also the Bear Grylls activity books, because there's so much learning in here as kids. Learn about the world, animals, survival. There's some knot tying and a word search you saw. The puzzle packs, 3 books in a pack for only $9.99. This is a continual story, and you don't write in this book. It's one that you get to do over and over and over again. Lots of spot the differences, mazes, things to figure out and find, figure out which one goes with which. Kids love these. Love, 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 love. One that you will not want to miss out on is one of my favorites. See this mouse? Mouse About the House. He slips through the pages on the slot on each page as he travels throughout the house looking for his cheese, and he almost bumps into the kitchen cat. If you lose your mouse, there are directions on the back. So I hope this helps you know just a few of our activity books. I know I breezed through them, but we've already made a really long video. Which is your favorite? What do you love? I love our activity books.